Hi, I'm Marcia with Osa Tropical Properties. Welcome to my new luxury listing. It's an estate-sized property in Phase 5, Ojochal. Let's go see the property. Very elegantly designed. This property has so many incredible features that I will mention to you. One of the great features is the fantastic ocean view. Not only is it ocean view, it also has fabulous sunsets. The house is a 4-bedroom house and 3 full bathrooms and 2 half baths. This is the grand kitchen area. And the living room. The bedrooms are on either side. The 3 guest bedrooms are on one side for more privacy from the master. The master's on this side. Here you have a half bath. As you go this way, you have a laundry room, and it also has a mudroom entrance. This is the master bedroom. King-size bed, Guanacaste wood headboard, very elegantly designed, big wall of cupboards, patio, and the doors opening to the outside. We always have a fantastic breeze. This bedroom has a dry room here, and it's a lock-up owner's closet. It also has solar batteries in here and the whole solar system. The electric bills are almost non-existent. It uses the grid in the evening. This is the master bathroom. It's a nice size, it's large. You get an ocean view from the shower. And it's on this side of the house, so everything is private here. There are no neighbors. And this is the guest bedroom side. Really adorable. The red room, and has a desk. This one has a Jack and Jill bathroom with the other bedroom. You can walk through to the other bedroom, or you can enter it from this door as well. This is the second guest room. Everything is just immaculate in this house. They keep it freshly painted and everything works really well. It is just a special property. This is the second master, or you can use it as another master bedroom if you wanted another. All the bedrooms have air conditioning. This one also walks out to the patio area on the other side. And this is the bathroom, full bathroom. There's a pass-through part. They have a really big entertainment area. Has a table for 8 plus other sitting space. Great place for neighbors to come and visit and have cocktails. The pool is a really interesting shape. There is so much privacy here, and this was meant for estate-sized living. They have beautiful landscape, a lot of bromeliads, which are really special. It's just gorgeous. They have automatic sprinkler system, a water tank, so if the water is shut off from the town, they still have water. This is the front yard entrance to the property. They have a double car carport. Security system with cameras as well. There's a large storage bodega, an electric gate. and quite easy access. Phase 5 is really close to the ocean. It takes about 10 minutes to get here from the highway. They've spent a lot of time making this garden so special. They have a nice pathway to the lower level of the property. You can see the road down here where you go down to the other parts of Phase 5. If you leveled all of this off as a building site, you still have a great view. Here's where you can make an entrance onto this lower, and I know there's a lot of trees in the way, but there is a great view, as you can see. This whole property has been landscaped. And there's watering system down here as well. Thank you for joining me and watching this video. This is a special property and it has the nicest neighbors that you will find. And can you hear how quiet it is? You can actually hear the ocean. It's beautiful property. Contact me, Marcia, at osatropicalproperties.com if you have any questions or if you'd like to see this special property.